Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn off contacts on Instagram. First thing you need to do is to open the Instagram app on your device. Tap your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the Instagram page. Now just tap the menu or the three lines in the top right, then select Settings. Now go to Account and then choose Contacts Syncing option. You'll find it in the Account Settings options. Just toggle Connect Contacts to Off. Then tap Disconnect to confirm your choice. And done, your contacts are now disconnected from Instagram. You can now enjoy your Instagram experience without encountering your contacts. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.